techniques. Let's look at some of these techniques. Not everything, not all techniques have to end in this, you just hurt somebody, right? Kind of thing. Sometimes you want to do certain things to create a certain amount of pain to then get an evasion, to evade or something like that, right? I am not a big advocate for lateral kicks for self-defense. I'm just generally not. I think using kicks, I think these kind of kicks like Mawashi Hitsuri Geri or Mawashi Geri, right? I think they're great kicks, and we use them in sparring and all that kind of stuff, and we do the kicks and work bag drills with them and all that. I think in self-defense, I think the reality of using your legs is you want to do something that's going to be very effective, very pragmatic, very efficient, and to get the job done. And I would venture to say, keep the thing rolling and just kind of put me here, okay, sweetie? I would venture to say that if I ask you guys to kick this pole, I'm going to bet that the one that's going to create the most distance, like if I needed to get the fuck out of Dodge, someone's trying to like really hurt me, I think if I did this and I kicked with like this, that's going to send their ass that way. It's going to give me more probable chance of evasion than for me doing this and then getting closer, right? Catch what I'm saying? I just feel like the Kegegiri, the Kokomi Giri is more of a highly more effective and more efficient type of a kick in self-defense situation, right? But again, you gotta take what the defense gives you. If they don't give you the target to use that kick, then you can't use that kick. I mean, you're kicking what is given to you. Does that make sense? Okay, so what we're going to be doing, so we're going to look at a concept where we are going to be using I'm going to have you guys kind of play with it. We're going to look at a technique where you guys can either use a lateral kick, or you guys are going to use more of a straight, simplified, thrusting type of a kick like the Kegegiri or Kokomi Giri, and I want you guys to determine which one you guys feel is best for you. Like, we're going to have options. This is going to be more like a self-discovery type of a technique. Okay, so he's going to come in with a right punch, and I'm going to do my simple like inside-outside block. Once I get here, we're going to have you can either do A, roundhouse, make sure you counter grab, roundhouse, and then evasion here, pop, and then I'm out this way to evade, or we're going to go in, he does the same thing. Still going to kick the same technique, but now I'm going to kick to the ribs this way, and then evade this direction. But I want you guys to see which one's best for you. For me personally, I'm going to go to the Kegegiri to the ribs all day, every day. I want it to be straight line. I want to power shot that, and I want to create as much distance because I don't really give a shit in self-defense about beating someone up. You don't get bonus points for beating someone up. The objective is to get home, get back to your family. That's what's important, right? The person in front of you isn't no more of a problem than anything else that day. Right? That's kind of the idea of life, right? So let's look at the concept one more time. So I want you guys to kind of figure out, and I want you guys to do this both right and left. Right? This is the deal. So it's a technique to kind of figure out, okay, how does my body work? Which one do I feel is best for me? So option A, as he comes in, you're stepping off, you're blocking away, get your lateral kick to the stomach, and then your evasion this way and out, right? Option B, as he comes in, you're blocking out, grab, strike into the ribs here, and then evasion this technique, okay? Make sure you guys do practice, make sure you guys do practice, you're grabbing on and you're striking, and I want you guys to practice crossing out, which you guys know that's nothing but a physical skill saying you need to evade, you need to get out of danger, okay? So one more time, here's A, he comes in, pop, pop, and then I'm out, or B, comes in, pop, pop, and then I'm out. The technique, 5,